I don't know what's going on, but my ears keep freaking popping. This wind has came up. I don't know if there's a front coming in or not, but it sure feels like it. I went ahead and turned the weather radio on just in case. I mean, this wind, whew, it's not good. I was planning to stay here for some all-night fishing, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, where are we at? Oh yeah, hi-ho friends, we're going to bring back the good old Texsport tent. There's a reason for this. I was talking to a friend on the YouTube channel there, and he said he bought his tent the exact same time as I bought mine. He seam sealed it. He sprayed the silicone waterproofing over it, stored it away, recently got it open, or got it out, opened it up to see what's going on with it. It's going to be an interesting day, friends. On all the spray silicone waterproofing peeled off. Got me curious. A while back I did the exact same thing to my tent. So we're going to get it out today and see what it looks like. And it's been probably 4 or 5 years since I've used it. But what I did, I don't know how he treated his tent, but what I did to mine is I used the spray silicone and the seam sealer. I got it from Walmart. When I put the silicone on the tent, I spray it, wipe it in, spray it, wipe it in, rubbing it into the fabric. For storage, I kept it in a controlled climate. Whew. I wish you could see these trees moving. It's not good, friends. In a controlled climate where the temperature averaged from 60 all the way up to 75 degrees. That's where I stored it at. I don't know how he did his tent, how it was treated, and how it was stored. So what we're going to do is, I could have swore I turned that radio off. Apparently I did not. Oh well, no big deal. We're going to set it up and take a look. I have chosen a spot over here to do this at. I think it's going to be safe. Anyway, let's go ahead and pop it open and see what we got. This is the first time I've opened it. The tent is still rolled up. We've got our poles right here, stakes, and lots of leaves and sand from the last time I used it. Huh. Man, this is an old school Ziploc. I haven't used these in years. Okay, everything looks good at first inspection. Let's pop the little guy open. And I think because I want to do some all-night fishing, I want to set it up over there in that direction and possibly, okay, well, I'm just going to do that. I'm automatically seeing that right here where I seam sealed this and I put the seam seal over it before I put the silicone on, it looks like it's lifting a little bit, but not too bad. As far as the sides of the tent, they look good. I don't see any lifting at all. What's that? Little dirt. Nothing's, wait a minute. Nope, that looks good. Oh, fun fact, in order to get more, more space inside the tent, all you got to do is find a random stick that was not set up when you weren't looking and put it up like that. It pulls the side of the tent out and gives you more space. There is one problem though. It kind of puts a little dip in the middle and the rain will collect on there. That's another easy fix, is you take another stick and go from here to there and stretch it out, but I don't think that's going to be a problem today. My main concern is this freaking wind. You know what, since I'm over here, let's go ahead and do this side real fast. And with this not strategically placed stick. No, that was totally there. It really was, friends. I'm serious. Actually, that's a little too long. You know what? We can let's do this. Snap that off right about there. Looks good. That'll work. And then in doing that, we got more space. Let's go take a look at the back. Same thing here. That's kind of lifting a little bit, but not bad. It's still sealed. Back of the tent looks good. Already got a spider freaking crawling in it. It's not bad. Actually, this thing looks freaking brand new. You know what? Let's take a little trip on the inside and see what it looks like, because that's where I sealed the seams. Get that off there. It's from the inside. Zippers are still good, and I did, get out of there, wax coat them before I put it away. Two-handed. All right, in we go. Oh, this thing is so dirty. Good thing I got it out. I think it's time to clean it. What is, oh my. That's new. Oh, we got a burn hole there from something. How did that happen? That's okay. Duct tape will solve that problem. A lot of leaves in here from the last time I used it. All right, check the corners. They look good. Oh, fun fact, these corners do leak. To solve that problem, you put a stick from here to here, arch it over, the water comes right out. Inside, looks good. That's a good thing too. Let's see what's going on here real quick. Yeah. None of the seams are really peeling. So that leads me to wonder what type of silicone he used. And that's really dirty though, and how he used it. All right, let's crawl out of here. Yeah. Brought a little dust out with me. It might be actually time to clean the tent out, and this is a good day for it. Well, friends, we took a look at the tent. Some of the seam seals are lifting, not a lot of them. I want to say mine's in good condition. Fun fact, I got to bring this up. Kenneth Cram loves this tent. I mean, this is his go-to tent. He doesn't want to admit it, but this is his favorite tent in the whole world. And I just had to bring that up real quick. Long story. Anyway, so yeah, this has been a look at the Texsport tent after being stored for several years in a controlled climate. Once again, I used all the products from Wally World, the silicone spray, along with the seam sealer. All I seen was a little bit of lifting. Not enough to really hurt anything, friends. So if you have this tent or any kind of tent you have long-term stored, break it out, take a look, and let me know how it held up. I'm going to say this one did great. Okay, I'm going to wrap this video up and hunker down before I'm thinking some weather is going to get here. Comments are always welcome. And like always, friends, thanks for watching.